We're on the set, getting ready to do the Boat Salesman. So like a little behind the scenes thing I thought I'd walk you through. This is going to be an Iranian, and I'm going to have a full makeup job on, and then he's going to try to sell this boat to this couple. So hopefully the video comes out good, and who knows, hope you guys like it. But yeah, we're just waiting on the crew. Tell me where you're from, my friend. I drive all over the place. I do everything every time. This is the Iranian Boat Salesman. We are going to the shoot at the marina and beautiful Havas Row. It's going to be good show. I'm going to enjoy. Move, motherfucker! Anyways, I will say, people are looking at me right now like, is he Iranian? I tell you this may be best I ever do. Maybe not. I might actually be in trouble after I upload. We don't know. I don't get this. Oh wait, red light. Praise Muhammad. Okay, now we do this, and we're driving. Why don't you show the stylist? The stylist is hello. How you doing? This is nice, eh? You like? It's a minivan or something. So anyways, I'm thinking about getting one-way ticket out of Newark. There's many things I can do today. And not today. Oh no. What was that? Is this good? Does everybody know it's me? Or do I really pass off an Iranian bird?
It's awesome.
It's good. Hello, my friend.